Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Physicist. So, before we go into our course, Optics and Waves, let us first discuss the question, what is light? Okay, so today we will discuss the question, what is light? Okay, so how do we get the knowledge of world around us? Okay, so we as a human understand the world around us with the help of information that is reaching from our five senses, for example, okay, which are eyes. Okay, we get the information through our eyes, ears, nose. Okay, we get information using tongue and skin. Okay, so these are our five sensory organs. Okay, the sense associated with eyes is called vision. Okay, because we can see with the eyes, and this sense is called vision, or also called sight. Okay, but how does that sight occur? Okay, the sense of this sight is sense of this sight is stimulated by light. Okay, so it is stimulated by light. Okay, so this light produces in us the sense of sight. Okay, so that's why study of light is important. Okay, so what our eyes do when we see an object? Okay, so the light from that object is coming into our eyes, and what our eyes are doing? Well, they are converting the incoming light into the electrical signals. Okay, so eyes, we can say eyes are opto electronic devices. Okay, so that is the our body's optoelectronic device, because they convert light signal that is coming into our eyes into electrical signals, and then these eyes convey them to the brain. These electrical signals are conveyed to the brain. Okay, and what brain do? Well, brain does the processing of these signals and produce images or pictures in our mind. Okay, so that's why light is important. Okay, so we should know what is light. Okay, but it's also a question, can we really know what a light is? Well, we'll see shortly. Okay, so light is so important for us that we learn about the properties of atom and their internal structure through the light emitted by them. Okay, we learn about the properties of giant stellar systems by the means of light reaching us from them after traveling for millions of years through the empty space. Okay, so most of our world is defined by light. Okay, so we are also fascinated by the light. Okay, for example, we like rainbow stretching across the sky. We enjoy the pleasant full moons, and we just when we look at the white clouds in the sky, these seems very beautiful. Okay, so that's why the light is very important and also has this aesthetic value for us. Okay, so but the nature and properties of the light have been speculated since the ancient times. The ancient people were asking question like what is light, how does it travel into the space, or does it need medium for the traveling, or does it not. Okay, so these were the question asked by our ancestors. Okay, so now there are many questions like what is light, what is light, what is it made up of, like how is it generated, how fast does it travel. So these are the questions. How does it propagate? Across the empty space. Okay. How does it behave when it comes across an object? Okay, and how does it interact with matter? Okay, these are some of many questions that arise in our mind. And optics is the branch of physics. So optics is a branch of physics that deal with such questions and describe the phenomena and laws associated with the generation of light, propagation of light, and interaction of light with the matter. Okay, so this is the branch of physics called optics, which deals with these questions and generation, propagation, and interaction with matter of the light. Okay, so now the question is, can we really answer the question what is light? Okay, so there are some phenomena which says that light is a wave. Okay, but then on the other hand there are also some phenomena like photoelectric effect which tells us that light sometimes behaves as a particle. Okay, so does the matter. Sometimes it behaves like particle and sometimes it behaves like waves. For example, electrons. So electron can show the properties of electron as well as properties of particle as well as that of wave. Okay, similarly the light can show sometimes the properties of particles and sometimes of waves. So what is it? Is it particle or is it wave? Well, to Kurt Feynman, he said that Newton thought that light was made up of particles, but then it was discovered that it behaves like a wave. Later, however, in the beginning of 20th century, it was found that light indeed sometimes behave like a particle. Historically, the electron, for example, was thought to behave like a particle, and then in many respects it behaved like a wave. So it really behaves like neither. Now we have given up and we say it is like neither. Okay, so there is one lucky break. However, electron behave just like light. The quantum behavior of atomic objects like electrons, protons, neutrons, photons, and so on is same for all. They all behave like particles and as well as waves, so we call them particle waves or whatever you want to call them. That were the words of the Richard Feynman, a famous physicist. So we see that it is very difficult question to ask, to answer, that what is light. Okay, we cannot say what light is, but we can, like, we can say it's neither particle nor waves. Okay, it behaves just like what it do. Okay, what it does. So that's for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you did not, and please share with your friends. Thank you.